How to add Amazon affiliate link in website. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, let's show you how you could utilize and add your Amazon affiliate links to any websites. Now I'm using Framerware here as an example, but all you need to do actually is to of course have a specific section that talks about the product that you're trying to promote and have a button. Does it really matter what the button is about or like what the text is on here? What you need to do just to basically make it go to the affiliate link is to attach a link to that and have it as or have the link to be a specific link, which is of course your affiliate link or Amazon affiliate link. So simply modify the link wherein that button will be direct to and make it turn it to the affiliate link. Doesn't matter what button or whatever options of the button that you want, but that's how you want to do it. You can even have it as a photo as well. If you have the photo of the product you're promoting, you could add a link to that and make it redirect to that affiliate link that you have. So that's basically it guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.